Welcome to the Seidenstricker Noe Partners Precision Team. Today we will be going through the step-by-step process of setting up notifications and alerts for machines used for geofence and curfew. Now we're going to start off by logging in to myjohndeere.com. From here, we will then go to the Operations Center located on the left-hand side. Now you can begin from any page within the John Deere Operations Center. On the top right, between Assistance and Organization, click on the bell for notifications. From here, you will notice the notifications located in the middle of the screen and a panel to the left to be able to filter. This panel will be your source to filter through the list of notifications. You can also toggle between the ignored and available located here on the top left. Over on the left-hand side, you can choose which organization you would like to see from. Next, you can choose which categories you would like to view. You can choose between selecting one category or multiple. You can then choose which level of severity ranging from low to high. It is recommended to save multiple searches such as diagnostic trouble codes as one and reports as another for an example. Notifications will automatically appear in the Available tab. In order to ignore a notification, simply click on it, and in the bottom left, you can click Ignore. From here, you can ignore notifications for this machine, or you can ignore the notifications for all 333G machines. Lastly, you can choose which equipment category you would like to view. For this example, we chose the 333G skid steer. From here, if you would like to save your search, simply click on Save Search. Then you can either save it as a new search or update previous search. If you click on Save as New Search, be sure to name your search. You can then select to receive emails for this notification. Down here at the bottom, you can share your search with a specific organization as long as you have the correct access level. Another thing to keep in mind is that your emails can be changed or added after saving the search. When you are finished, click Save. If you wish to change email settings for the saved searches, on the left-hand side, click Manage Searches. Under My Saved Searches, you can view information and turn on and off email notifications. Under this category, emails will only be sent to your own email. To send notifications to other users in your organization, click Searches by Organization. Under this category, you can view different searches saved to your organizations and turning email notifications on and off from members of that organization depending on access level. When you are finished, click Save. Once you have finished making your notifications, you are ready to begin receiving these notifications and alerts for your specific machines.